Hi, I'm Frankie, and I want to give you a tour of my home. First, I have the living room. Okay? Okay. Living room first. Yeah, I'm just gonna show you all my toys. See this? Now can you? Yep. And this is my sweet light book. I got it for my birthday, 2 days after my birthday party. See, I have stickers. No stickers. ABC stickers. And those stickers. I've actually did this. It's just a sun catcher. It captures sun. I haven't really put a picture in here. I don't really know what this is. I don't really know what anything is. I haven't really completed it all. This is supposed to be for a teenager. See? Never mind about that. Here's my own personal book. And I got the library. I got it from the library. It's about let me see. It's about Martin Anderson, a voice of Bill. He's a famous singer, but they wouldn't let her sing because he was black. No blacks in the future. I mean, in the past. Why would they even do that? There's my Nutella somewhere. Okay. Next, I'm going to say everything in my backpack. You want to see my cat? Okay. Hi, Kitty Willy. Hi, Kitty Waddy. Cat. Cat. See him? He doesn't really do much. Everything in my backpack. See? This isn't really American Girl doll, so kind of sad here. My folder. Look at what I found. Taylor Swift. Story of me. It ain't really a story of me, it's a story of her. Notes, 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 notes. My friends have been so amazed with me. Eraser, character. Oh, you want me to show you this? Yeah, it's just this art. Few coins. No. Nope. I see coins that are Nope. Really doing it. I won't. Coin better. Whatever. Here's what my friend gave me. Name, Mr. Pedro. It ain't really a Mr., it's a Mrs. It's supposed to be Mrs. in a way. Something right here. No, not really. Okay. Okay, that's it. Okay. Why did they spell it? Here. This is supposed to be my lemon book. But I don't know why I call it lemon book. This is my word search. I'll call it. Old bike that I never used. I was wondering where this fellow went. And that's it for that. Here's my electric scooter. See it? Up. To the bottom.